How to create additional value from the access control system. Example of Suprema ecosystem, our sixth presentation. Suprema integration tools open new horizons for access control systems, transforming them into value-added business such as time and attendance, payroll and hire platforms, cloud services, and others. How to co-create value from Suprema customers' focused ecosystem, we will hear from Mr. Artem Arifov, Business Development Manager, Suprema Europe and North Africa at Suprema, dedicated point of contact for all companies that would like to know more about Suprema. His knowledge covers access control and time attendance solutions. Mr. Artem, welcome. Mr. Artem
Hi.
Arifov.
Hi, everyone. Can you hear me?
Hello. Yes, we can hear you.
Very nice. Thank you for inviting me to this summit and for your big work. I know how hard you work and thank you for all your team for this summit. Today, I will show you the example of product ecosystems in access control systems. The example of Suprema ecosystem. I will show with you my presentation.
Great.
Can you see it?
Yes, we can see. Everything seems fine.
When I say the word ecosystem, I think that in your mind you imagine immediately the ecological ecosystem with nature, where all the elements of the system are related and coexist in one system, creating our world today. But in business, it can work exactly at the same way. And in business, its name is a product ecosystem. It's when products can coexist in a way for beneficial for the customers and of course bring more revenue for partners and business. How Suprema created its ecosystem. Here you can see the tools that allows you to create the Suprema ecosystem and coexist in our environment. Suprema is an open integration platform that allows you to develop your own apps, your own solutions, and provide more services to your clients. We provide GSDK tool and server API, and of course technical support. Technical support is something very important for Suprema because the technical support is free of charge, and it allows us to bring your comments and to give you to have the feedback from you and to understand which features we lack and what we need to develop. Suprema is a customer-focused platform, and we develop and renew our products in depending on the needs of the customer. And due to technical support, we can understand what our clients needs today and which functions we lack and what we need to develop. The example how Suprema is working is our new product, BioStation 3. We have already we have already spoken about it during our last webinar in Adria platform. But today I can share with you some advanced information and let you discover some features of this new product. Our clients asked us to have a SIM card to make it possible that Suprema readers can work in desert desert environments without electricity, without network. So we did it. We learned from you that on the market it's something that we need, and we added it to our new product as well as interphone or PayU, and it's from technical side, but sales also, they asked us a new product which can be cheaper and smaller, and it should be the face product, because face is something that that we consider as the future of access control systems. So we heard you, we heard our partners, and now we have this this new product, BioStation 3. This is an example how we work, and why working with Suprema, and it's a co-working. It's not a work of our R&D team, it's also a work of our partners, and each partner is an actor of a big Suprema family. And I will show you some features that Suprema provide today. For example, we have of course, you know that Suprema provide its own access control software. It's an access control management platform, but with also time attendance features, visitor management, mobile access control, and some integration tools. What you can understand that with Suprema, you can make the multi-site management and remotely control sites and offices, for example, or residences which are based in different countries, in Belgrade, Zagreb, Dubrovnik, and you can manage him from the unique Suprema app. And of course, you can use one credential to get access for different sites. Suprema software is ISO certified and got the certifications to prove the enhanced security standards. And what could be interesting for our partners in the Balkans and in the Eastern Europe is a cloud solutions that you can develop with Suprema. Because the server, the BioStar 2 server, can be installed in web services on cloud server, for example, Amazon Web Services, and it will be it would be simple for you to install this server on Amazon Web Services, for example, and to provide cloud services for your clients. It could be the end users, which would need only 1 or 2 Suprema readers for the apartments, and you will provide this this service. It could be an additional value for your business, and also a new solution and new service for clients, which will solve the need on the market, because now I see that some end users and customers from the Balkans, they need this solution, and they ask Suprema for their apartments, and they need cloud solutions. That's something that you can develop with Suprema and work together with us on this. That was our basic solution as Suprema software that Suprema provides, but in addition, you can develop your tools and make integration with your software, your application, and your services between BioStar 2 database and the database of your software or application. So Suprema provides server APIs tools for access control and time attendance, and you can easily use them for your integrations with third-party softwares. Suprema is set of REST APIs, and Suprema uses JSON formatted data. I know that the Balkans are well known for good developers, well-skilled developers, and they prefer to work in this language. So Suprema simplified the solution for them, and in Suprema environment, you can develop very easily your own solutions and integrate with your tools. We provide a Swagger, and you can test easily by downloading BioStar 2. You can easily test the commands and how Suprema software reacts to these commands. And of course, also about cloud, because cloud is something that is very promising in terms of business in Europe, and it's one of the fastest growing business here. So Suprema, you can use API in cloud, so BioStar 2 installed in cloud and integrated with your own cloud solutions. The application of this tool is very various, but the most common would be the TNA and HR platforms. In the Balkans, we have a good partner. It's Spica, who integrated our biometrics solution in the software. And we have a good partner in Spain. For example, it's Wofu software for time attendance and HR, who allows to spend your time for HR management and provide the new generation of time attendance services. This software is directly integrated into CAP and Sage software. So Suprema, within this Spanish partner, is also integrated with SAP and Sage. This is an example how the ecosystem of products can work. Suprema is not directly integrated to payroll systems, for example, but integrated through through another partner who is integrated into these systems. This is an example of ecosystem and the coexisting of different products and services. Of course, a good vertical for you would be a membership management. in January, 2 months ago, I made a webinar on Adria platform and explained more in details how you can use Suprema for membership management. If you want, I recommend you to see this video. You can simply find it on YouTube by searching membership management with Suprema. I can briefly explain that you can use Suprema devices and access control systems also for fitness management or car walking centers management, meal management, or visitors and ticketing applications. Here you can see some of Suprema partners who used Suprema, and Suprema is their main partner, so they use only Suprema hardware and provide additional solutions and additional value to their clients. That's an example of something that you can create if you see the opportunity in your country and you want to develop one of the verticals. Suprema could be a good partner for you, and Suprema provide you open integration tools and free of charge tools to develop your own solution and to become Suprema partner and develop together the new business verticals and business models. Something that you can do is lockers management or meal and drinks management that we are using in several countries in Europe. You can place your logo, the logo of your company on Suprema devices. This is an example of logos that we displayed during the Adria Security Summit. Today it's online, but it was very nice to show you Suprema solution in Belgrade last year. QR codes for visitor management, using Suprema QR codes or your own QR codes, and create your own application for ticketing for visitors. It's something that is very promising today, and I have few partners who are developing now these tools. Suprema has released a new product, Station 2, exactly for these reasons, and also it's one of the example why the feedback is very important, because our partners asked us for this QR code solution. We heard you, and we released this new product. Now this product coexists in our ecosystem and open environment, and our partners can use this solution in their own applications. API is something that is relatively easy for integration and simple for developers. It would take from few days to 1 week for integration, and you have Suprema devices integrated in your software or application. But Suprema provides also more developed tools as a Suprema G SDK or device SDK kit for more complex integration, where Biostar 2 is not where Biostar 2 does not participate, and you can integrate Suprema devices directly into your software and you use and consider Suprema devices as also mini platforms for your integrations. You can develop your own interface into our products and develop as you like and what you like for your service and for your clients. You heard me that we provide device SDK and GSDK. I recommend now to use GSDK because there are more supported languages, and it's something that we develop more now. And today we have a lot of customers who develop GSDK. We receive the feedbacks, we receive the requests from them, and we are more concentrated to improve our GSDK tool. So I recommend you to use GSDK, and if you need some features that you would like to see in Suprema, you can create our tickets on our technical platform, and we will transfer it for our R&D team and make our best to provide this solution as soon as possible. So it's, as I explained, it's a coexisting environment where we working together, and Suprema works for you and you work for your clients to solve the needs of your customers. If you see a niche, if you see a vertical where you can apply Suprema and you don't know how to do it, so we can help you, because with Suprema, with this open integration platform, we can do incredible things together. Here you can see our partners who are using Suprema SDK or GSDK. In the Balkans, it's eSmart, a Serbian company with a time attendance software, TAC, AccentSoft for video management system, integrated all the range of Suprema products. Hello System, our Portugal partner, Bode Software, French partner, who develop and provide Suprema biometrics devices worldwide, and Suprema readers are directly integrated in the software, and also the same as in API through this. Through our partners, our direct partners in each country, we are also integrated with payroll systems and more complex systems as Sage or SAP. IM Systems in Russia, our good partner. And due to SDK integration and GSDK integration, Suprema developed also their own our own integrations with worldwide leading video management providers as Genetec, Milestone, Network Optics, Hanwha, Access Control Systems as NetApp or Paxton. And you can see on our website, but it's something that where we invest to be able to provide one integrated systems for access control and video management systems to allow your customers not to change software, not to have two different softwares, but provide all necessary services into one integrated platform. And Suprema is it's one of the advantage of Suprema, this integration, this possibility of integrations. Suprema provides also mobile access control, and if you want and if you have a need, it's also possible to develop due to mobile in-app SDK, to develop your own application with Suprema mobile access credentials. The server could be cloud, and you can use your own application for Suprema mobile access control and use mobile cards. It's ecological and it's modern. It's more innovative, and that's something that customers like and prefer today. So it's a good opportunity for developers and for you to think about the possible integrations. And an example also for of verticals that you can do with Suprema, it's smart homes, because you can enroll a face of your clients by picture. You need just to upload a photo, and you are enrolled. And after the first authentication, the Suprema face device will create a new face template. So it's something that you can use with tourist applications for management of renting apartments, with Booking.com or other hotels, hotel reservation systems. And also you can provide for your customers a remote control service. They can control all that is happening in their house remotely. They have a house in New York, they're in Belgrade or in Zagreb, and they can remotely control all that happens with the doors in their residence or apartment. And something that is very promising also for hotels, airports, or specific projects is ID-based system integrations with Suprema. You can, for example, use real scanners of Suprema ID, and to enroll faces by using ID cards of your clients, of your visitors. And it's something that's very promising. We have a few projects now in Germany, in Belgium. We work with governments on these projects, and I can see that it's very promising. It's also something that you can consider to develop and to reconsider your future business models for your access control companies. So as I explained you, the Suprema ecosystem, it's a range of products that coexist, and Suprema provides tools and provides the possibility for integrations, and then our partners, our hundreds and hundreds of partners worldwide, they are working together to develop and to work in these tools, to use these tools and integrate Suprema into their software and their services. Due to this, Suprema is not only access control or time attendance solution provider. We have thousands and thousands of services that you cannot even imagine. And it's due to our partners who are actors of this ecosystem. So I invite you to become also an actor and developer with Suprema. I invite developers. I know that in the Balkans, the a lot of experienced developers who are looking for new opportunities, and the developers, or you as business access control companies, you can create a good partnership with these developers, individual developers or development companies, and to provide a new range of services for your clients based on customer needs. Suprema today can cover the main customer needs on the market. And if you see that there is a new need that we not cover, we have technical support, as I said, free of charge, and we will create and add a new feature to cover the new customer needs that you found. So why coexist with Suprema ecosystem? It's make your life easier, boost your revenue, find new business models, and solve more customer needs on the market. Of course, Suprema ecosystem, it's a simple connection with within the ecosystem. All our products are correlated as in natural ecosystem, and you can be sure that you are able to create one integrated system with Suprema. And we provide free of charge technical support, and we provide regular updates and improvements of our products, and we are customer focused approach, and due to your feedbacks we can cover new solutions on the market. Thank you very much. I hope that it was interesting for you to understand how you can develop your business, and to let you understand that the access control system can be more complex than just an access control system, and it can be added but additional values and additional revenue for your companies. Thank you for your attention. Do you have questions, maybe?
Artem, thank you. Also, great presentation. We also invite our audience to watch Suprema webinar at INS Adria YouTube channel. And I have one question for you, Artem. What is the role of the merging of physical and logical access control systems as a prerequisite for making full use of the potential of these technologies?
Could you repeat, please?
What is the role of the merging of physical and logical access control systems as a prerequisite for making full use of the potential of these technologies?
Yes, I think that Suprema, your access control systems, it can be a basis of some additional values of for your new services, and also, as you understand from my presentation, your access control system can be also transformed into time attendance systems or visitor management systems. So we are trying to work with partners, and I think that that each partner can be an actor on this market, and as you understood from my presentation, Suprema partners are actors on the market. And their partners can be also involved in this integrated ecosystem. Yes.
I'm sorry, you didn't hear me. I have your wish. I want to wish you a great fly and great business trip.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. That's right. I will. I will go to Adria region now. I will. I will be more closer to you.
See you in October in Zagreb. Mr. Artem Arifov, Business Development Manager, Suprema, Europe and North Africa at Suprema.